Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, what's up, K Squad? So I'm showing y'all my apartment bathroom. I did do a huge makeover of it. It looks so good now. But in these two first pictures, I'm showing you guys how my apartment bathroom looked before. And you guys know how most apartments give you that beigey yellowish wall, at least like most of the older apartments do. Like all the new ones are like updated and everything. So I'm just showing you guys how I transform this bathroom into something that I love. So stay tuned if you want to see how I done it. Okay, you guys, so I really just wanted to show you the color scheme that I had going on at first. This is not the finished product, trust me, okay? However, I just wanted to show y'all what the color scheme and everything was looking like before. Now, if you notice something different, we did paint our walls. We painted our walls probably it was like the beginning of this year. So we did it like a gray color because we love gray. We just feel like gray is the new neutral. It goes with everything. And so when I was doing the bathroom, what I did first, obviously, as y'all can see, I'm just doing a really deep cleaning. So cleaning the toilets, the sink, the mirrors, sweeping the floors, mopping the floors, cleaning the tubs, all of that good stuff. And then of course we're gonna get into the decorating part, which is my favorite. And if you also enjoy decorating, home decor makeovers, give this video a thumbs up. Alright you guys, so moving right along to the shower curtain. So I'm the type of person who like to change out my liners every 3 months because I don't like just having the same liner in the shower for like a long period of time. I just feel like it collects a lot of bacteria and germs and everything, so I'm always changing out my liners. I'm making that face just because this shower curtain had so much lint in it, so I should have washed it first, but I was just so excited and I was ready to get them hanged up. Now my whole vision for this bathroom was very light, very airy, so that is all I'm thinking about when I'm designing and picking out colors for this. Okay, so this bath rug I got from Wal Mart. I kept the tag on there just to make sure that I actually really liked it before I pulled the tags off and everything, but I did keeping this. I will have all the pricing and everything down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out if you are interested. You guys, honestly, I don't know how I feel about this one right here. I kind of want to go back and get the one that go around the actual toilet. I don't know. But I like the gray one over there. Definitely like the white. Oh, this looks so much better. So you guys, I did end up going back to Walmart and getting the contoured toilet rug because I just was not feeling that rectangle rug in front of the toilet. So this is one huge tip that I want to tell y'all. If you are looking for like good quality towels, always check out Marshall's, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and even Kohl's because they have really good towels, really nice quality or cheap, and you can sometimes get them like in a pack, which is what I had at first, and that whole pack was only $20. So I would definitely say check them out if you're looking for some good towels, or if you just want some really nice decorative towels. I would say definitely check out those 3 stores. So I was going back and forth between all white or white and gray because I really couldn't decide. I had to turn off my ring light to just see how it would look with the regular bathroom lighting, and I ultimately decided on white and gray. Which one do you like better?
No, with the gray.
With the gray? Okay.
No, I like the all white.
You like the all white?
Yeah, you know all white.
Why you say that? We'll do with the gray. Okay, ladies, I have a question for you. Do your husband ever change his mind on something because he think that's what you think, so he changed his mind? He knew he liked gray, but he thought I liked the all white, so that's why he said no, do the all white. Anyways, so I did this this other towel holder, and I did white and gray on top of there as well. Okay, you guys, so next we're moving on to my soap dispenser. So I love this soap dispenser because it's so freaking cute. I got this from Target. I liked it because it was clear, and I liked the little pump on there. I just thought it was just really minimal and just cute, you know, really simple, and that's what I was going for. So I did buy a refillable soap so I don't have to always go and get the little small ones. This was like $5, I think. And I actually like this because it's white, so it'll go really good with this whole theme I'm going with. And it smells good, and it feels really, really good on the skin, and it make your hands soft too. I also picked up this sign. I got that sign from Marshall's, and it says the best is yet to come. I just set it on the toilet because I thought it'll look cute up there. Okay, y'all, so I'm so excited for y'all to see this part because this is one of my little favorite DIYs that I did in the whole entire bathroom. So this is me like manifesting my wants and needs, because when I get a house, I definitely want my bathroom to be marble everything. I love marble. Maybe not so much of the gray, but more of the white with a little bit of gray or whatever color. But I definitely want marble in the bathrooms, marble countertops in the kitchen, or even quartz I will take in the kitchen too. Either one. But I know it'd have to be like so nice. So I was like, let me go to Wal Mart and see what type of contact paper they have. And I seen this one and I was like, okay, this is it. I'm gonna try it. So I brought it home. And I did pre-strips, like pre-cutting the little sections out because I thought that would be easier, which it was easier for me to place down. But honestly, wherever you put the contact paper, like wherever it'll lay, it's going to stick there. So be careful wherever you put it.
Hey, do it.
No.
I'm about to give you a way you can do it.
No. Y'all, I swear it's never a dull moment with him. I swear he keeps me laughing, okay? But also keep a credit card or some type of card with you to smooth it out, and get like a blade like I'm using now to cut around like your sink or anything like that, because since I have a circle sink, it was hard for me to try to cut. So around the sink kind of looked it looked DIY-ish, you know what I mean? So just make sure you get something to kind of cut around if you have a circle sink or whatever. Okay guys, so one thing I do want to point out, y'all probably like, girl, when did you do all of this? So this took me about a month to finally complete everything. So that's why you see like different hairstyles, different clothing and everything. But I wanted to say this: whenever you are planning on decorating something in your home, don't try to buy everything at once unless it's like everything that you absolutely want, because if you try to get everything at once you get it in a spot, you might not even like the way it looks. So just take your time when you picking out like decor, furniture, things like that, colors. Just take your time, because the place, your apartment, your house, wherever that little space is at, it's still gonna be there, okay? So just take your time, make sure you really like whatever you're doing. So I wanted to do a picture. I ended up doing this one I found at Hobby Lobby. It's cute. It's alright. I don't know. What y'all think? Tell me down in the comments if y'all like that picture or not. I'm still kind of like iffy on it. So this little section here, you see where the little toilet plunger and my toilet bowl cleaners, they're like right there. And I'm like, it's kind of like an eyesore. So I found this at Hobby Lobby. I was like, okay, that's cute, little jar, glass thing, whatever. And I also seen these little, I don't know what those are called, but I seen those and I was like, that would be kind of cute, you know, like in the corner or whatever. So I got those. I think I needed like probably about 3 more to kind of make it a little fuller. And at first I was going to put that little yellow plant there, but I was like, let's do something simple. So I love the green, and is it a succulent? I don't know. I don't want to know mine. Anyway, but I ended up doing that And I got this candle from Bath and Body Works. It is the Sun Drenched Linen, which smells really fresh, really clean. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much how it looks. Like, I love the way everything turned out. It looked so good. I like the green. Like, I love like green and white and gray, obviously. With like on each other, I just think it looks so good. Like the green and white really pop against the gray. So I definitely wanted like green plants and everything. Let me know what you guys think of the overall bathroom makeover. Do you think I need to add something else, take something away? Let me know down in the comment sections below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Share it. Comment something nice about what you loved about it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you on my next upload. Bye, K Squad.